Hi, my name is Austin
Hi, my name is Austin Quattlebaum, formerly employed banjo player, booking agent, and event producer. I've had a lot of time on my hands at home. So I've decided to dive in to my newest invention, the Squattle. It's basically a tiny stool. First, I cut the wood. Then, I sand the wood. Then, I make the Squattle. Come on, let me show you what a versatile product this can be. You can sit on it. You can sit on it by a fire. You can put your drinks and stuff on it. You can squat on it for better pooping. You can put your feet on it for better lounging. You can stand on it to reach stuff. You can put your laptop on it in bed. You can meditate on it. You can carry firewood with it. You can play banjo from it. Each Squattle is considered to be an heirloom piece. No two are alike. That's not by design. It's just that I'm a terrible carpenter and I don't have the right tools for the job. Mostly just good at banjo, but I needed something to do. I call this one Chill Burl. I call this one Stumpy, because his legs aren't even. I call this one Cedar, because it's made out of cedar. If you're interested in one of these unique heirloom pieces and keeping an out-of-work banjo player busy, just send me some money on PayPal. Yeah, I don't know.
Squattle quality varies from product to product. Quattlebaum is not responsible or liable for injuries or coronavirus contracted while using the Squattle. Get them while supplies last. Happy squatting, friends. Wash your hands.